Come on. Pistols.
Come on, let's just go.
Hey, Demon, no sport, no special, Demon, because you like that. You like that sport.
Just
All right.
pistol.
Come on, let's do it. Oh yeah. What about grenades? We use grenades.
Yeah.
Oh, only pistol,
No
sucker.
Don't touch that special.
Last woman got my ass already. Ain't no motherfucking.
I couldn't see my weapon. Try again.
I need
Hey, somebody
target
got a
practice.
shotgun. I hear it. We're only using pistols.
That's all I got is a pistol in my hand.
Wait. Are
Not
we doing
you,
grenades?
somebody else.
Because I just saw a grenade.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, we're
grenades,
using
fire.
grenades?
Just
Grenades?
yeah.
Oh,
Grenades.
that changes
What about
everything.
Claymore?
So we can't use grenades.
No.
That's it.
Yeah. You can use those. Yes. Everything
Claymore?
except for big guns.
Sean.
Oh wait, is
Yes.
that a yes to grenades?
Yes, Ronnie. Yes.
Yeah, I
Yes,
said-
Claymore.
All right, thank
Fire.
you. Thank
Claymore.
you.
All that. Yep.
Oh, damn it.
Very well done.
Whew, gosh, I want to grab these guns so bad.
I know, it's like so tempting, but we're just using pistols.
It's like such a habit.
Too close.
This is funny. Never done this before. This is a good way to play.
Yeah. It's my favorite.
I just saw somebody with a shotgun in their hand.
Come here, boss. Yeah.
Ah, let me stab you. Oh, you
No.
got me.
Got me. Got him.
I'm just holding it for looks. That's all. I'm not shooting it.
Oh,
It just makes me feel better.
Come here, Dina. Got your ass, boy. Yeah. Ooh, good job. Dina sitting on oh my God.
Wait, that
Oh.
wasn't a pistol.
Hold on.
I see why you chose pistols or grenades with it. And I can't stab you guys.
Y'all really want to have fun? We gotta have a
Nice
stabbing
little dance
session.
there, Ron.
Nope. Stabbing. That's really fun.
Oh,
Gotcha.
Someone's not using a pistol. I heard something.
Doesn't the sword count as like
I heard
a
someone
knife?
is not using a pistol.
Damn it. Wasp.
Yeah, I heard that.
what's up?
Someone's not using a pistol.
Ross got a pistol. I don't think he got no.
I got a pistol.
I got
Not Ross. I mean, I'm sorry.
Demons
He's got
definitely got
different
pistol.
handgun than a lot of us.
I got the second one, not the last one. I won't use the last one. I suck at aiming. And stabbing tonight, obviously.
I tried to stab by you, girl. It did not work.
He's a good stabber.
Oh shit. Damn.
Damn.
Oh, God.
Now you fucker.
Oh, I'm dizzy.
I don't know what you people ate for dinner, but you're bouncing around.
Dang. It's so hard to catch the time to reload. It's like,
Oh, that's right.
Mm.
Dang, I didn't even know. See him. I didn't freaking see him.
I cannot get that guy.
Bye, Ronnie. See you.
Ah!
He's kicking behind me.
Now you fucker.
Come here. Come here. Stop running. I got you.
We all running in a line. That was like easy target.
Ronnie. Come here. Ah, listen. out of here. My bad. I thought that was Ronnie.
Who is that pecking behind me? That gotta be so nice.
Oh, me.
Both of y'all can oh my god.
Oh, man. Come here, demon. God damn it. Hey, what you doing with that shotgun? Hey,
I'm trying to go like that wasp woman. That wasp woman.
I can't let that go.
I got the body.
He leaves the pistols.
Yikes.
I was like,
I will grab a sword.
Question. Yeah, that shotgun aimed at my face.
Oh.
Bro, good jumping.
Wait, y'all, let me get up. Let me get up. Come on, demon. Come on, demon.
Let me get both of them.
Demon stabbed your ass.
Oh, God. Oh.
Gotcha.
What the heck? I can't see me over there.
Why am I so?
Lord. That shit hard when you're just doing pistols.
This is bullshit.
Nah, I hope you get
I
better.
couldn't turn around fast enough.
Oh,
I mean, what?
Damn it.
Oh my God, she went free like
Should have died too.
there's gotta be.
Who is that?
Demon, leave me alone.
I got both of you. Where Ronnie at?
Why you so quiet, Ronnie?
What the heck? Dear Francis.
Yeah, y'all came out of nowhere.
Damn it. I'm all the way at the bottom and shit.
There was no one there, and then boom.
That's why he's so quiet.
I want a gun.
No.
No. It's just pistols on
Practice. It's good for practicing.
Yeah.
Really good.
Ooh, good job.
I see you behind the window. Get out of that window.
Good job.
It's like being in a candy store and you can't grab it.
I know it.
He needs to stay away.
Ronnie saved you.
Oh, I was like, let's get the guy through.
You wasted that
Ah, demon.
Wait a minute. We doing grenades like? Oh yeah, we are doing grenades.
Yeah.
one. I forgot about grenades
fire.
too.
Way more.
Oh,
Ah, I stabbed him. Bouncing around.
Come here.
oh dang.
I'm trying to kill damn wasp woman and she keep popping around. You kind of wasp woman. You just say wasp woman.
Oh, hey, somebody hit me with a
Bam!
That was a fight.
That's actually kind of like it.
Damn it.
Hey, I see you. Somebody's shooting a shotgun. I hear it.
That's
I know who
not
it
a
is, but I'm not-
shotgun.
No, I know who it is, but I'm not going to say.
Who is it?
I'm not
Let him have
snitching.
it.
I'm not telling.
That's
I hear it. He saved you again. Why does he keep saving you? I don't like that. I'm gonna have to kill him first. Oh, I'm going there.
He grabbed the special. I saw him.
Who did? Who grabbed it?
Kim, how would
did.
you grab
He's
that?
dead now.
So if I steal it, I can take it, right?
How would you grab that?
That's messed up.
If I steal it, I can use it.
It's only 8 seconds.
Hold on.
Ronnie, really?
I'm just.
That's why I popped you.